Welcome to the Smart Marketers Academy, where we help you to build your business smart, get more clients, and make more profits. I'm Davide Yemi Ekale. I'm the founder and CEO of the Smart Marketers Academy. And on today's program, we're looking at how to get you started with building your list for profits, Module 3. So like we've said, that building your list with the process that we're showing you is a 5-step process. And on the first module, we've looked at preparing your profitable foundation. In the second module, we looked at creating your irresistible offer. Now we're looking at helping you to choose an email provider. Now, before you can choose a provider, you need to know what your email marketing goals are. Now, your email marketing goals will go beyond what we're doing on this course, because all we're doing on this course is getting people to join your list. So that's one of the most basic things that you need when you're trying to choose a mailing list provider. You need a service provider that would have those facilities, that would make it easier for you to get people to join your list. Now, so what you need to think about generally is your marketing goals. You need to think of your email marketing goals. And once you know what your goals are, that would determine what features you need to achieve your goals. The other thing is that these services do come with a price, and most of the time it's a recurring subscription, starting from about let's say about $10. You can find one of these providers that will provide that will give you access to building to their email list services on a monthly basis. So you need to think about your email goals, and your goals will determine the features that you need, and then you can decide on a budget. How much are you willing to spend on this each week? So what we're going to look at quickly is the general uses of email marketing, so that you can understand maybe the remit that or the features that you might need when you're choosing your system. So generally, at the very basic level, you're looking at email marketing for 3 things. You need people to subscribe to your list. You need people to join your list. So you need features that would make it easy for people to join your list. The second thing you would need it for is following up. So once they've joined your list, you need to be able to follow up on that contact. Then the third thing you need to do is, once they're on your list, you followed up, you need to keep in touch with them regularly. You need to be able to nurture your list. So these are 3 features that you would need, or three things that you need to do, that you would need features for when you're choosing an email service provider. So let's have a quick look at the first one. When you are generating leads, basically what you're doing is you're qualifying and recruiting prospects for your business. So you have a target market, and that's a pool of suspects. You're not sure if they're going to do business with you or not, but there's a higher likelihood that they would do business with you than the general populace. So basically what you now have is your irresistible offer, which you offer to them, and if they bite, it's like a bait. If they bite, that means they are a potential prospect. So your lead is a way of qualifying them to join your list. So your irresistible offer is your way of qualifying them to join your list. Your irresistible offer will help you convert them from a suspect to a prospect if they bite, if they decide to join your list. So the second feature or function that we looked at was following up. You need to be able to follow up on the people that have joined your list. There's no point in having a person, it's like having a person join your business or join something that you have created, maybe your community, and then you don't talk to them. What you need to do is you need to introduce yourself to them, you need to introduce your business to them, you need to kind of induct them into your business. So following them up is a great way of doing that. Now with email marketing, what you can do is create a series of emails that are sent at regular intervals. So once they join the list, there's a trigger that is set, and based on that trigger, what you have is maybe emails, a series of emails that will be sent to them. You decide the number of emails. For instance, when you join my list, you have 7 emails that I have pre-configured that will be sent to you, and that's based on my email marketing course, Attract More Willing to Buy Clients to Your Business. So basically, these are autoresponders. Once you've set them up, once you've created them, it does the same thing over and over again. So once another new person joins the list, it just sends them out to them. So it helps you save a lot of time. You've created a little asset there that works for you. It's a great way to it's a great thing to use as an initial follow-up strategy when people join your list. So what you need in terms of a feature when you're looking at an email service provider to subscribe to is to make sure that their system can deal with autoresponders, and you want to make sure that their system can deal with a large number of autoresponders. Some limit the number of autoresponders that can be sent using the system to 7. That means you can only send 7 automated responses to your subscribers. Others give you a larger scope to work with. Now, one reason why I've chosen my particular email service provider is because of the number of autoresponders that I can set up. The previous system that I was using was quite limited on this feature. So these are the things that you want to think about. The third use of email is for keeping in touch with your list. Now, once they've joined your list, the second thing is you follow them up with a series of emails that you've set up. You've kind of inducted them into your business. You've introduced yourself to them. You've interacted with them. Now, the next thing you want to do is to keep in touch with them on a regular basis. You need to keep your list warm. You need to keep your list engaged. There's no point in having a large number of names or people on your list and you're not talking to them. You need to talk to them regularly. So basically, what you need is to be able to send off one-off emails to the list, or regular email or a regular newsletter to your list. Your newsletter can be you can send your newsletter twice a week, twice weekly. It could be bi-weekly, or it could be monthly. So these are the 3 basic things that you need to do with your email at this level. So on this slide, I'm just sharing with you some popular email service providers that you can choose from. And the first on this list is MailChimp. And the good thing about MailChimp is that you can start using this particular service to build your list for free. Their first level of services is free, especially for people who just want to use the basic features, and this does not include the autoresponders. If you want to use the autoresponder feature, you would need to join one of their other programs where you pay a fee. So basically, with MailChimp, with a free service, you can get people to join your list and you can send your weekly newsletter, but you won't be able to do things like autoresponders. Another service that is commonly used is Aweber. Another one which I've used in the past is Constant Contact. And if you have a bigger budget and you want more, or you want a feature-rich service provider, then you might want to try Infusionsoft. So we've come to an end of this program. If you would like to find out more about our other programs, please visit us at www.thesmartmarketersacademy.com, and I look forward to seeing you on Module 4.